Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. So this is a trigonometry question, this is a third question, and we need to find the exact value of tan theta. So what we basically need to do is, if you see, this is basically sine A plus B, which can be written as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, and this is basically cos A plus B, which is given by the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So using both these formulas, I can basically write this as sin theta, okay, cos 45 plus cos theta sin 45, okay, plus 2 into, I can say this is basically cos theta cos 60 degrees minus sin theta sin 60 degrees, which is equal to 3 cos theta. Now I know cos 45 is 1 over root 2. So I have sin theta into 1 over root 2 plus I know even sin 45 is 1 over root 2. So this is 1 over root 2 cos theta plus 2 into cos 60 is half. So this is basically cos theta over 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 sin theta, which is equal to 3 cos theta. So I can simply write this as sin theta over root 2 plus cos theta over root 2 plus, now when I take 2 inside the bracket, I'll get cos theta minus root 3 sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Now what I can simply do is, I can do 1 over root 2 minus root 3. Okay, just do 1 over root 2 minus root 3. You get your answer basically as root 2 minus 2 root 3 over 2 sin theta plus do 1 over root 2 plus 1, which will give you which will give you basically 2 plus root 2, okay, over 2 cos theta, which is equal to 3 cos theta. Now I can simply write this as root 2 minus 2 root 3 over 2 sin theta, which is equal to 3 cos theta minus 2 plus root 2 by 2 cos theta. So I can simply write this as root 2 minus 2 root 3 over 2 sin theta is equal to, now I can simply do 3 minus 2 plus root 2 over 2, which will give me 4 minus root 2 over 2 cos theta. Now I can simply write this as sin theta over cos theta, which is equal to 4 minus root 2 by 2 divided by root 2 minus 2 root 3 over 2. So I can basically write sin theta over cos theta as tan theta equals to 4 minus root 2 over 2 into 2 over root 2 minus 2 root 3, where I can cancel the 2 to get tan theta equals to 4 minus root 2 over root 2 minus 2 root 3. It is basically the final answer, and I've written tan theta in the terms of surds. Okay, now hence solve the equation. Okay, so now I know this equation can be written in the terms of tan theta as tan theta equals to 4 minus root 2, okay, over root 2 minus 2 root 3. So I can basically write this as tan theta equals to, or you can just solve it. You know you have your ASTC curve. Okay, just give me 1 second. So I have 4 minus root 2 over root 2 minus 2 root 3. So it's basically okay. So now see, here I have tan theta which is equal to minus 1.2614, which is basically this. Okay, I need my tan theta to be negative. Where is my tan theta negative? In the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So first I need to calculate the value in the first quadrant. So for that I do tan inverse of 1.2614, the positive. Okay, and make sure you are on the degree mode. So the value I get when I do this, I get as 51.59. But now I need values for the second quadrant and the third quadrant. So for the second quadrant, I do 180 minus theta, and for the last quadrant, I do 360 minus theta. So I can simply do first I can do 180 minus theta to get 128.4 comma this degrees. Then I can do 360 minus 51.59 to get my answer as 308.4 degrees. This is basically my final answer.